Hi Virgo, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a mid-month love check-in for you. Virgo, these are general collective readings, so may not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. And why are you confused, going back and forth in your mind about something, it seems? Let's keep this aside and continue shuffling. And let's begin now. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Virgo, we're good to go, and a big thank you to all my subscribers. It's unbelievable. Channel is barely 3 months old and we've already crossed over 1,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for sending in so much positive feedback and love. I'm eternally grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our little Omkara family. Join us, subscribe. We meet here once a week for all kinds of readings, especially love and mid-monthlies, monthlies. We did a money and work as well this month. So we welcome you in. Join us. And if you're new, let me explain. I'm setting out 2 sets of cards. One for you, one for your person. And in the center, I have your mutual energies. Feel free to decide which side you resonate best with. I'll be calling this side as person A and person B, okay? So person A has the Hangman in reverse, Wheel of Fortune, great, Queen of Wands, 6 of Swords, 9 of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. Somebody wants to come out of a stuck place with this Queen who's very angry. Okay, let's see the other side as well before I talk too much. The Sun in reverse, Ace of Wands, 5 of Wands in reverse, which is good, 3 of Pentacles, 8 of Wands, and the 10 of Cups in upright. Oh, that's nice. Just give me a second to put some more lights on, Virgo. Yes, sorry, much better, isn't it? Okay, so somebody's very upset here. I think this is a feminine energy here. Hangman in reverse, Spirit. There was a fight. There was a fight here. And somebody is desperate to come out of this place where, they're feeling conflicted, or there's been a fight. And now I have the King of Pentacles showing up twice this side, which is the perfect hubby, actually. Very nurturing, very kind, and this person wants this Queen of Wands to be upright and not here where she is angry and upset. This person is wanting to come out of a fight, it seems. They want the Wheel of Fortune to move again positively in a good direction after this fight, and they don't know, I think right now, how to turn back from this heartbreak which has been caused because of this conflict. So what is this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? Maybe there were options, or there was confusion, or somebody was not making up their mind in the past, and now one person is very, very stressed out, not being able to sleep at night, stressed out, wondering, confused, because this Queen of Wands is in reverse. This same Queen of Wands who was with the King of Pentacles, going very happy and whatever, after this fight, now this woman is very, very angry, because somebody went in the wrong direction, it seems. So Queen of Wands, Spirit, why is she angry? One more card for the Queen of Wands in reverse. Queen of Wands wanted to make some plans and wanted to have growth in this dynamic, but now it seems after this fight, she's kind of thinking about it. Do I really want this King of Pentacles? Or, after all that's happened, yeah, because she feels there was no equal give and take here. Somebody was breadcrumbing her, and because this fight maybe was, one-sided, or it wasn't, it just went wrong. This relationship just went wrong and led to a lot of pain and heartbreak. So, what is the Six of Swords in reverse spirit? Somebody's trying to find their strength now to not go back. Six of Swords spirit. Yeah, they are now not wanting to they feel somebody did wrong, right? One person is standing, I think there's the feminine energy standing to her strength to say somebody was sneaky, somebody lied to me, and maybe went in the wrong direction, and I do no longer want to have any kind of growth with this person, even though there was so much love. There was a lot of love here, but somebody, I think this is the masculine, who took a little wrong turn. Like all men, they don't ask for directions, right? And they take a detour. Yeah, they did something wrong, something toxic, something which hurt this feminine. It was, could be anger, could be sexual encounter, could be anything. And there was some communication regarding that. This queen, I think, is now letting go of her stress and tension and pain. Regarding this king, she's wanting to take back control of her life now and maybe have a fresh new beginning, fresh new starts elsewhere. But this King of Pentacles is still lurking here, and he's in the upright, which is, a very good card. I like this King of Pentacles. So why is this King of Pentacles here, Spirit, if person A is now taking back charge and going ahead for a fresh new beginning? What is this? Who's this King of Pentacles then? Why is King of Pentacles here when is... Okay, so there is a lot of love here, Virgo. This queen is thinking of, taking back control of her life, wanting to take a fresh new beginning, take a leap of faith. But this King of Pentacles, she's a bit afraid of right now. She doesn't know whether she should take a leap of faith with him or not, because she considers him now to be a magician in reverse, a trickster. Somebody who can fool her, who can put her in this place where she's stressed and tensed all the time, who's made her angry. So she's not very sure right now whether she wants to have anything to do with him, and she just wants to get over the stress and tension of, dealing with him right now, even though I think there is love here. Because otherwise, this card would have been in reverse. Okay, this would have been like this, and no, this is not the guy I want, and I want a fresh new beginning for myself. But he's still in the upright. Let's see the other side. How does person B feel? The Sun in reverse and the Ace of Wands in reverse. Now this person B is not feeling happy at all as the way things went, because they are realizing that they have probably stabbed person A in the back, and this relationship may just be coming to an end, right? This is not making them happy at all, because they now don't know what to do with their wand. This was like the person A was their passion. They really did have a lot of passion and love for this person. They want a fresh new beginning. They want to reconcile with person A. They want to get over all the stress and tension and conflict and whatever happened between the two of you. So Spirit, yes, they know that person A is their wish fulfillment, and they now don't know how they can make it work after whatever has happened between the two of you. Too many cards, but this was lying here, so let's take this. Yeah, they know that person A is now holding back and no longer wanting to work with them anymore, right? They know that person A has withdrawn their love and is no longer offering them anything. But person B is desperately wishing and hoping and looking for some kind of communication with person A. So what do they want to say, Spirit, with this communication? They want to return. They want to return. They are waiting for some kind, or I think they want to return. They are waiting for maybe person A to communicate with them as well, because if that happens, that's going to make person B feel very happy, right? They are waiting. I doubt it, masculine. I doubt if person A is going to send you any kind of communication. Why do men keep waiting? Why can't they take action? So yes, I think they will. They want to have clear-cut communication with person A. They are kind of waiting for a little while, I think. Because right now they're feeling very, very overburdened. They don't know how. Okay? They are wishing that maybe person A will communicate to them first so they can, kind of have this communication. If not, I think because there's so much love here, so much love person B has, and person B also knows that wish fulfillment is only possible with person A. They love person A a lot. So 10 of, see, happiest card in the deck, 10 of Cups with the Sun. They know that person A makes them all their wishes come true, makes them really happy. And when person A is in their life, they are content and the sun shines again. Wow. Oops, okay. They want to bring back justice, okay? They are very depressed, very sad. They are crying over everything that whatever happened in the past. They're feeling really awful. And they are desperate now to bring some kind of balance back in their life. Because, see, the sun which was upside down, they want to bring it back here because they know that who's the one who brings the sunshine into their life, right? So person B, I think, is the masculine here. So there's a little bit of back and forth happening between the two of you. I don't see any major trouble here, Virgo, to be very honest. Yes, one person is angry and is thinking. That's the juggling. Should I have a fresh beginning on my own or should I wait for this masculine? This person is saying, oh my God, I've messed up big time. I've lost the love of my life. Now, how can I come to a point to have clear-cut communication to tell person A that, you are everything I ever wanted, and they want to bring back justice. Let's see in your mutual energy. Okay. All right. Okay, so there is still a little bit of confusion right now in the month of August, it seems. Both are not really clear how to bring this back together. Both confused because of this queen who is still very angry. I don't think this feminine is letting, she's blocked up a bit right now. And because of this blockage, maybe it's energetic, right? It doesn't even have to be conversations. So there is still a bit of confusion here, whether maybe the queen, this feminine still feels that this masculine is just a player. If he comes back in my life, he may just leave again. This back and forth energy, a lot of, not being sure. So, yeah, I think there's a little confusion as to whether there can be any working together, because maybe in the past, things just happened and they fizzled out, and they happened and they fizzled out, and this masculine didn't really show his best side. Okay, they probably came across as a player, or they came across with very in and out kind of energy, very immature energy, I would say, right? So this queen is not very sure right now. She's kind of still going back and forth should I give him another chance? Should I work on this or not? This energy is continuing, at least for the month of August. But I do have the Death card here, which could either mean putting a stoppage to this relationship at the moment, or it could even mean a transformation. So Spirit, in this circumstance, Okay, right now there's silence. This queen is not letting in. So there's still a lot of silence, even though there may be some kind of forward movement or a message or something from this masculine. This feminine energy is very silent and wanting to see, I think, some transformation happen before she can kind of trust this King of Wands again. This person is trying to, change from the Knight of Wands to the King of Wands and bring in some transformation. But I don't see. You both know that you make each other very happy, right? But right now things are still stagnant. Page of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Thinking, what should I do? And in that thinking, see again, Two of Pentacles again, right? This was our overall energy. Two of Pentacles. Should I move forward? Should I not? Should I move forward? Should I not? So right now, even if it's energetic, the masculine is getting the message that the queen is a bit guarded. She is not allowing any thing to come towards her. But unless it's a very firm, very stable offer of a commitment or something like that. So right now, the feminine energy is blocking off communication. She is still kind of thinking, and because of that, everything has come to a stagnant stall here. She's not accepting any offer, right? She's not accepting any offer. She's in her Empress upside down mode. She's not allowing any forward movement, and the masculine is feeling a bit abandoned right now, feeling a bit left out in the cold. But please know, Virgo, this chapter has not yet completed. It hasn't come to a close. This is just a bit of defense mechanism happening between the two of you. It could be verbal, it could be energetic, okay? You're giving out the vibes of, not allowing this person is. But there is a full potential here of everything coming back into balance. Time is fluid. It could happen end of the month, it could happen next month, but this is the energy that's flowing because the masculine does love you a lot, right? There will be a choice made in love where things will come back. Two cards of making a choice. Okay, a choice will be made, but only after this queen has been satisfied of all her queries and questions. Her big sword is shining and up, and finally I think once the apology is accepted, you both are going to heal, and maybe a fresh new beginning is possible. Okay, so that's the energy around you, Virgo. It's a beautiful energy. I would just request that if the feminine is watching this, don't think too long. I mean, life is short, right? Yeah, but be sure that this person is not coming to you in the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords energy again. Let them show you that they've matured. Yes, that's a very wise thing to do. Take a call. Everybody's situation is different, so you have free will to decide your best course of action. And masculine, if you're watching this queen is very afraid to let you in. So you have to not just be the King of Wands, be an emperor now for her. Please. She deserves the best and nothing else. So let's take an angel blessing card for Virgo now. Let's take one more. Okay. This one wanted to peep out as well. Okay. Yes, this was a lesson. This was definitely a karmic lesson, I think, which both of you had to learn and step up to the plate in this isolation time. I think you both have done a lot of spiritual work as well. And don't worry, even though you people are maybe not talking, like I said, I had a feeling this is some very synchronized, energetic, telepathic communication going on between the two of you. So even if you're both not talking, you both know exactly how you're feeling, right? A lot is going on where you are talking maybe in the 5D world, Very soon your blessings are going to come. Don't worry about that, Virgo. Concentrate on your money and abundance. Your love is coming. Very soon there will be a miracle which will happen in your in your space, which will put everything right. Okay, once the lessons are learned. So if this person is suffering, it's unfortunate, but maybe that's a lesson for them to come to you, right? So that's all I have for you, Virgo. Take care, love and light. See you next week. Namaste to all of you out there. Take care.